Greetings! So the verse that we're looking at today is Luke 3:4. The voice of one crying in the wilderness, prepare ye the way of the Lord, make his path straight. Spurgeon writes, the voice crying in the wilderness demands a way for the Lord, a way prepared, and a way prepared in the wilderness. I would be attentive to the Master's proclamation and give him a road into my heart, cast up by gracious operations, through the desert of my nature. The four directions of the text must have my serious attention. Every valley must be exalted, low and groveling thoughts of God must be given up, doubting and despairing must be removed, and self-seeking and carnal delights must be forsaken. Across these deep valleys a glorious causeway of grace must be raised. Every mountain and hill shall be laid low. Proud creatures sufficiency and boastful self-righteousness must be leveled to make a highway for the King of Kings. Divine fellowship is never vouchsafed to haughty, high-minded sinners. The Lord hath respect unto the lowly, and visits the contrite in heart. But the lofty are an abomination unto him. My soul, beseech the Holy Spirit to set thee right in this respect. The crooked shall be made straight. The wavering heart must have a straight path of decision for God, and holiness marked out for it. Double-minded men are strangers to the God of truth. My soul, take heed that thou be in all things honest and true, as in the sight of the heart-searching God. The rough places shall be made smooth. Stumbling blocks of sin must be removed, and thorns and briars of rebellion must be uprooted. So great a visitor must not find miry ways and stony places when he comes to honor his favored ones with his company. Oh, that this evening the Lord may find in my heart a highway made ready by his grace, that he may make a triumphal progress, the utmost bounds of my soul, from the beginning of this year even to the end of it. All right, so in this devotional, Spurgeon's talking about how we as Christians are called to live holy lives. And then he goes through different ways that our lives can be made holier. So I want you to pick one of them. Either every valley must be exalted, every mountain and hill shall be laid low, the crooked shall be made straight, the rough places shall be made smooth. Just pick one of those and then apply it to your life. Is there an area in your life where you can be holier and make a way for God? All right. Thank you. Bye.